Play-to-earn gaming and the GameFi explosion that's happening right now is something you need to pay attention to if you are interested in making money in crypto, or if you're just interested in play-to-earn games and making money through gaming. Well, this is also a great video for you. Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money. Let's get into today's video. So the first game that's on our list of these 4 epic play-to-earn games is Crixivia, which is linked down below in the description. Welcome to a play-to-earn experience. This is a massively multiplayer online game where you can participate with people all around the world to battle against others and win various rewards. You can see it's revolutionizing the game economy. Join the immersive and exciting world of Crixivia, a 3D MMORPG that you can play in your browser on your PC with friends. As you progress through the game, you'll have a chance to collect various different NFTs that provide rewards backed by cryptocurrency profits earned in the Crixivia universe. You have to conduct various different missions in order to go and search for different NFTs, and then you can trade these with other players in the game. But within the dungeons and various other parts to explore, there's lots of other challenges and things to be aware of. So there's 2 different tokens that are used within this particular game. You've got the KXA, which is the Crixivia coin token, which is deployed on the Ethereum network, is the base currency on-chain payments and special bundles. Cosmetics, a special NFT sales event on the exchange for KXS in-game currency, as well as buying and selling on the NFT marketplace. There's also the KXS token, which is also built on the Ethereum blockchain and is also an in-game currency for the Crixivia universe. It can be used to buy, trade, and play within the game, as well as acquire new in-game items. Now, this particular coin can carry some risks on the fluctuation of the token, but bearing in mind, I think we are just entering into a bull market. I think the GameFi space is going to be extremely hot, so earning tokens and holding them could well be potential for massive gains. Obviously, that's not financial advice, so do your own research, guys. Now, the next game we're going to talk about today is wilderworld.com, which is the first 5D game geared towards NFT artists. A new dimension of reality, Wilder Worlds is an immersive 5D metaverse built on the Ethereum Unreal Engine 5 and 0. You see the graphics behind looking extremely slick and very cool indeed. This is basically a wild world in which artists can go and share all of their artwork alike and can participate in various other gameplay and so much more. If we click through the different sections, you can see there's Wilder Wheels with vehicles to race within the metaverse, kicks with various other gameplay abilities and things going on. You can go and check out cribs and these really exciting and very cool looking buildings. There's land where you can go and explore beautiful landscapes, guilds, craft, and beasts, as well as much more. So many things to go and check out, and this is a really exciting platform with some unreal graphics that's definitely worth taking a look at, because this is looking into the future, in my opinion, of some of the best capability we're going to see going forward. The next one we're going to look at is the King of Fighters Arena. And this is the Git book because the website is yet to be launched. If we come down below, we can see that it's basically player-to-player fighter games, such as like Street Fighter, which you probably saw years and years ago becoming extremely popular. And these types of games always remain future-proof, in my opinion. Very simple and easy to use a gameplay with lots of different competition and things going on. You can go and fight different people around the world in order to win different competitions, different rewards, all paid in NFTs. Your player themselves will be an NFT, and you can build them up and increase their value and experience the world of tokenomics in crypto battles. The development team will do its utmost to maintain a suitable environment for players to enjoy the game and gather stable NFTs under a stable blockchain ecosystem. There's been a few games like this before, and this is the newest installment, so you know that it's more than likely going to be a success given the success of the previous launches that this company has had. Now on to the final one, which is the Forge Arena. Now this is a cool game. It pits you against AI-powered player versus player competition. We can go and basically fight out with other players in order to win various different competition. The Forge Arena is a 5 versus 5 competitive tactical shooter set to bring you a whole new experience in gaming. Weapon skins can be bought, sold, or traded. The game mode is unique with a mixture of search and destroy and capture the point. This game aims to change the genre of the next generation. Now, in order to be successful in this game, you must outsmart the other opponents around you and build on your strategy, as well as that upgrading your weapons and various other features features. So in summary guys, play to earn gaming is becoming more and more exciting. There's tons of people moving into the space and some of the games are becoming really advanced. I think it's a great thing to go and learn about if you're interested in investing in crypto, because I think it's a great place to be able to make money. As well as that, if you're interested in gaming and actually playing some games, why not do it in order to earn some rewards? It's definitely worth checking out. Everything I've talked about today is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out. If you've enjoyed the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.